Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to crop image in double arrow shape in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote, then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I crop image in double arrow shape in this presentation. At first, I have to insert a double arrow shape. Click this shape option and find your double arrow shape. Now draw your shape. Then click show or hide form and style option. Now click style and choose color fill drop down menu and find grid image fill. Now choose your specific image, then press open. Now click outside of this shape. Now you can see I crop image in double arrow shape in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.